Android phone has Google settings that may collect usage data and personalize your experience by default. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 settings you can review and disable if you want more privacy, less personalized tracking, and greater control over the information shared with Google. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now scroll down until you find Google, then tap it. Next, tap All Services near the top of the screen. Scroll down until you reach the Privacy and Security section. First, tap Usage and Diagnostics. This setting allows diagnostic information from your device to be shared with Google to help improve Android. If you'd rather not send this information, simply turn the toggle off. Once you've done that, go back to the previous screen. Next, tap Personalization with Shared Data. Here you'll see different Google apps and services that may use your activity to personalize recommendations and other experiences. Review each option carefully. If you don't want that information used for personalization, simply turn the toggle off for the services you don't want to share. After reviewing everything, go back. Now tap Ads. On this page, you can manage your advertising ID. If the option is available, tap Reset Advertising ID to generate a new identifier. You may also see Delete Advertising ID. If you prefer to reduce personalized advertising, tap that option and confirm. Subscribe now. If this tutorial helped you improve your privacy settings, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I upload simple Android tips, privacy guides, and tech tutorials to help you get more from your devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.